Tu propósito
your purpose,
distingue tu camino.
distinguish your walk.
O sea, en otras palabras,
In other words,
quien no sabe
who does not know
para qué vino, no sabe
what they came for, they do not know
para qué
for what
vive.
they live for.
Si no sabes para qué veniste,
If you don't know why you are came,
peor sabrás
worse will be
para qué vives.
not knowing why do you live.
Hay mucha gente
There's many
que
people
cree que simplemente está en la tierra
that simply think they're here on earth
porque, bueno,
because, well,
papá y mamá
mom and dad,
lo tuvieron
they had him.
y que Dios
And that God,
le plació
he was
que
pleased
viniera a la tierra.
for him to come here on earth.
Pero en la realidad,
But in reality,
todo mundo
everyone
tiene una asignación
has an
que cumplir.
assignment to do.
Todo mundo
Everyone
no fue mandado por el Padre,
was not sent by the Father,
creado por el Todopoderoso,
created by the Almighty,
simplemente para venir a la tierra.
simply just to come here on
Tú
earth.
tienes una
You
asignación
have an assignment
que cumplir en la tierra.
to accomplish here on
Y
earth.
es ahí,
And there is where,
si eres un seguidor de Jesucristo,
if you're a follower of Jesus Christ,
cumplir su voluntad
accomplish His will
es tu propósito.
is your purpose.
Todo seguidor
All follower
de Jesucristo
of Jesus Christ
debe de saber
must know
que el Señor dijo,
that the Lord said,
vayan y hagan.
go and do.
Y eso no es cuestión.
And that is not a question
No,
of,
no, le dijo a aquellos.
no, He said to them.
Bueno, la realidad
Well, in reality,
es que si no se propaga lo bueno,
if good
se
is not
propaga
done,
lo malo.
bad will be done.
Y si tú,
And if you
que tienes la palabra,
have the
que
word,
tienes la medicina,
that have the
que
medicine,
eres luz
that you are
y
light,
no alumbras,
and you don't shine,
caminará la gente en tinieblas.
people will walk in darkness.
¿Quién eras tú?
Who
Antes de
were
conocer a
you
Jesucristo.
before you met Jesus Christ?
¿Quién era yo?
Who was I?
Perfectamente lo sabemos.
We all perfectly
Todos
know.
andábamos en tinieblas.
We were all in
Hasta que
darkness
alguien
until someone
nos alumbró
lightened
y
us
nos
up
dimos cuenta
and we
que
realized
estábamos
that we were
en el camino equivocado.
in the wrong path.
Por eso Jesús dijo,
That's what Jesus
mis
said.
ovejas oyen mi voz
My sheep hear my voice
y
and
me siguen.
they follow me.
O sea, en otras palabras,
In other words,
las ovejas de Jesús
the sheep of Jesus,
oyen,
they listen.
conocen el
They know
propósito,
the purpose.
saben por qué siguen a Jesús
They know why they follow
y
Jesus.
cuando Él habla,
And when He speaks,
simplemente
they
obedecen
simply
y lo siguen.
obey and follow
Dale
Him.
fuerte ese aplauso al
Give a
Señor.
strong round of applause to the Lord.
Nadie seguirá a Jesús
No one will follow Jesus
si no cree
if they don't believe
que en Él está su propósito.
that there is purpose in Him.
Nosotros seguimos a Jesús,
We follow Jesus.
servimos a
We
Jesús
serve
porque
Jesus
creemos
because we
que un
believe
día
that one
el
day
Señor vendrá
the Lord will
o
come
el Señor
or the Lord
nos llevará
will take us
y estamos seguros
and we are
que
sure
tiene preparado
that
para nosotros
He has prepared for
un
us
lugar especial.
a special place.
Él lo dijo.
And He said it.
Donde yo esté,
Where I will
ahí
be,
ustedes van a estar.
there you will be
Así
at.
como yo he vencido
Just as I overcame
y me he sentado con mi Padre,
and I have sat with my
así
Father,
todo aquel que
everyone who
dice tenga la victoria,
has the victory
llegue hasta el final,
goes to the
se
end,
sentará conmigo
will sit with
en
me
el trono.
in the throne.
Por eso
That is
le
why
seguimos.
we follow
Al
Him.
contrario,
On the contrary,
deberíamos de estar viendo un partido de
we
televisión.
will be seeing a
de
soccer
fútbol.
team.
Así que entonces,
That is why
Jesús,
Jesus,
en estos textos que hemos leído,
in these verses we read,
dice a los discípulos,
says to the disciples,
mi comida es
my food is
que yo haga
for me to
la
do
voluntad de mi
the
Padre,
will of my Father,
para la cual me envió.
from what He
O
sent
sea,
me
la
for.
voluntad de Dios
So the will of God
para Jesús
for
y
Jesus
para nosotros,
and for us,
Él lo dijo,
He said
que
it.
debe de ser prioridad,
has to be a priority,
indispensable,
unreplaceable.
la voluntad.
The will.
¿Por qué?
Why?
Porque Jesús está diciendo,
Because Jesus is
lo
saying
único que puede
the only
o que
thing
me puede favorecer en la
that can
vida
favor me in life
es ver
is to see
contento a
glad
mi Padre.
my Father.
Por eso,
That is why
mi comida
my food
es hacer la voluntad de mi
is to
Padre.
do the will of my Father.
Porque si quiero ver contento a mi
Because
Padre,
if I want to see my Father
yo debo de
glad,
hacer su
I
voluntad.
need to do His will.
Al contrario,
On the contrary,
no lo veré
I will
contento.
not see Him glad.
Si no deseas la voluntad
If you don't
o
desire
su
the will
voluntad,
or His will,
es porque la aborreces.
it's because you reject it.
Si tú no deseas,
If you don't desire,
como Jesús dijo,
as Jesus said,
mi comida es que
my
haga
food is to do
la voluntad del que me
the
envió.
will of the one who sent
Si
me.
nosotros
If we
no deseamos su
we
voluntad,
don't desire His
automáticamente
will, automatically
significa
it means
que la aborrecemos.
that we reject it.
Él lo dijo,
He
vayan
said
y
it.
hagan.
Go and make.
Y cuando entonces dice vayan y
And when
hagan
he says
y
go
no
and make,
queremos
and
hacerlo,
we don't want to do it,
significa
it means
que no estamos de acuerdo,
that we are not
que
in
no nos
accordance,
parece
that it doesn't
lo que
seem
Él
right,
nos ha mandado a
what
hacer.
He has sent us to
Y
do.
si no nos parece,
And if it doesn't seem
ya
right,
tenemos un problema.
we already have a
Por
problem.
eso entonces Jesús dice,
That's why Jesus said,
si yo cumplo con mi deber,
if I fulfill my
la
duty,
tengo hecha.
I have it done.
Por eso,
That is why
cuando le dijeron
when they said
que lo
to him
buscaban para matarlo,
that they were seeking him
Él
to
dijo, a
kill
mí
him,
nadie me quita la vida.
he said, no one takes my life
Yo
away.
la pongo por sí
I
mismo
lay it down,
y yo la vuelvo a
and
tomar.
I can take it
Porque
back.
Él sabía
Because
perfectamente
he perfectly knew
que al él hacer la voluntad del
For him
Padre,
to do the will of the Father,
seguro,
surely
ya la tenía ganada.
he had it done.
Por eso cuando resucitó,
That's why when he
en el
resurrected,
cielo dice,
in heaven he
Jesús
said,
no llegó como un rey,
Jesus did not arrive
sino
as a
como un
king,
cordero
but
inmolado.
as a lamb that
Y
was
cuando
slain.
llegó,
And when he
aún
arrived,
como un cordero inmolado,
even as a slaughtered
todo
lamb,
mundo
everyone,
se postró
they bowed
y
down,
tiró las coronas
and
al
they threw
suelo.
the crowns
Se
on
las
the floor.
rindió a
They
Él,
surrendered it to
porque
him,
Él
because he
es el Rey de
is the
Reyes
King of
y
kings
Señor
and Lord
de señores.
of lords.
A Él sea la
To
gloria.
him be the glory.
Jesús enseña
Jesus
que
teaches
hacer la voluntad de Dios
that to do the will of God
debe de ser un deleite.
needs to be a
¿Por
delight.
qué cree usted
Why do you
que
think
Él
that?
dijo,
That he
mi
said
comida es
my food
que
is
haga la voluntad de mi
to
Padre?
do the will of my Father.
O sea, Jesús está diciendo,
So Jesus is saying,
miren,
look,
hacer la voluntad del Padre,
to do the will of the
lo que
Father,
el Padre manda,
what the Father
es como
commands,
estarse echando un plato pero de los buenos.
is like eating a great dinner.
Es deleitarse.
It's to delight
Por eso
yourself.
David decía,
That's why David would say,
deleítate a sí mismo en Jehová
delight yourself in the
y Él
Lord,
te concederá
and He will grant
todas las peticiones
all
de
the
tu corazón.
desires of
O
your
sea,
heart. In other words,
cuando tú
when you
haces la voluntad
do the will,
del Padre,
of the Father,
automáticamente
automatically
la tienes hecha.
you have it done.
Algunos dicen,
Some say,
yo le he servido al Señor
I have served the Lord,
y me ha ido mal.
and it has been wrong for me.
Te ha ido mal
It
posible.
has gone wrong to you, maybe,
Número uno,
Number one,
porque a veces no nos examinamos.
because sometimes we don't
que
examine
examinarnos.
ourselves. We need to examine
David
ourselves.
decía,
David would say,
Padre, examíname.
Father, examine me.
Dos,
2,
no hagamos las cosas
let us not do things
como nosotros queremos.
as we like.
Hay veces
There's sometimes
que Dios permite la prueba,
that God allows the
no para
trial
destruirte,
not to destroy you,
sino para
but
afinarte.
to firm you.
Esa guitarra
That guitar
no da un buen sonido
doesn't give a good
si no
sound
se afina.
if it's
Y
not
cuando se
refined.
afina la
And when
guitarra,
that guitar is refined,
parece que se va a
it might
reventar la
seem
cuerda,
that the chords will break,
pero no se va a
but they
reventar.
will not break.
Porque Dios sabe
Because God knows
hasta dónde
unto
puede afinarte.
when He can
¿Cuánto
refine you.
aguantarás tú?
How can you last?
Porque Dios no ha mandado, dice
Because
su
God
palabra,
has not sent His word
una
says,
prueba que no
a
podamos
trial
llevarla,
that we cannot resist.
sino que juntamente
But along with
con la
it,
prueba
with the
nos
trial,
da la salida
He gives us
para
the
poder
exit to be
soportarla.
able to support it.
O sea, en otras palabras,
In other words,
debemos entender entonces
we need to understand
lo que
that
dice Jesús.
what Jesus says.
Yo he venido
I have come
para que tengan vida
so you can have
y
life
para que la tengan en
and
abundancia.
life in abundance.
¿Por qué le está diciendo eso?
Why is He saying that?
Porque él sabía
Because He knew
cómo el Padre
how the Father
funciona y
functions.
por eso
And that is
él
why
está diciendo,
he is saying,
mi comida es
my food
que
is
haga la voluntad
to do the
del
will
que me envió.
of the one who sent
O
me.
sea, me deleito en
In other
ello.
words, I delight
Me
myself
deleito
in
en
it.
hacer.
I delight myself to do.
Que las almas
The souls
se salven.
to be
Me
saved.
deleito
I delight
hablar
myself
con esta
to
mujer
speak to this
que nadie
woman,
la quiere,
that no one
que
likes her.
todo el mundo la ve como una prostituta,
Everyone sees her as a prostitute,
como una mujer
as a
que no
woman
puede cambiar
that cannot
porque es
fit in
rebelde.
because she's
Me
a
deleito
rebel.
en
I
cambiarla,
delight
en transformarla.
myself to change her and transform
Eso es lo que
her.
nos está diciendo
That's what
Jesús.
is Jesus saying.
Cuando yo me
When
deleito,
I delight myself,
automáticamente
automatically
Dios hará la
God
obra.
will do the work.
Si tú
If you
haces las cosas
do things
a la fuerza,
with
automáticamente
your own strength,
Dios
automatically, God
no te respaldará.
will not support you.
Pero cuando tú
When you
te deleitas en el Señor,
delight yourself in the Lord,
llevando la palabra,
giving the word,
imposible que no se te
impossible
abran
that
puertas.
doors will not open for you.
La única manera
The only
que no
way
se te abran
that they will not
es
open
cuando tú
is when you
realmente
in reality,
vas
you go
de cierta manera
in a certain way,
no deleitándote.
not delighting yourself.
Jesús
in.
dice,
Jesus
no
says,
solamente
not only-
dice que se deleita,
He says he delights
que
himself
el hacer la voluntad del Padre
to do the will of the
es como
Father.
la comida.
It's like the food.
Y luego dice,
And then he
y
says,
yo debo de terminar la obra.
and I need to end the work.
O sea, no puedo dejarla
In other
a
words, I
media, la
cannot leave
obra.
it halfway, the work.
¿Por qué Jesús está
Why
diciendo,
did Jesus is
debo
saying,
de terminar la
I need
obra?
to finish the
¿Por
work?
qué?
Why?
Porque, hermanos,
Because brothers,
cuando a ti te asignan
when they assign you something,
algo,
something
es porque tú
is because you
tienes la
have
capacidad.
the capability.
Y si tú no haces
And if you don't do
lo que se te ha mandado a
what it was
hacer,
assigned to do,
te pedirán
they
cuenta.
will ask for accounts.
¿Me oyeron?
Did you listen?
O sea, en otras
In
palabras,
other words,
en el Señor
in the Lord,
nunca se pierde,
you never
siempre
lose.
se gana,
You will always
pero se
win.
gana
But you win
cuando realmente
when in reality,
nosotros
we
tenemos un espíritu
have a spirit.
de terminar
That is
y
to
no de dejar a
finish
medias.
and not-
O sea, tú
So you
tienes que ser
need to be
una persona
a person
que va de aumento en
that
aumento,
goes
como
in
dijo el
addition,
Señor,
in addition, as the Lord
como la
says,
luz de la aurora,
that light of
no
the dawn,
para abajo.
not down.
Por eso
That is why
debemos de
we
despertar.
need to awaken.
¿Por qué?
Why?
Cuando Dios te asignó
When
algo,
the Lord has assigned you something,
confía en ti.
He trusts
Cree
in you.
en ti.
He believes in you.
Y esto indica
And that
que
indicates
estás librando una batalla.
that you are delivering
¿Cuál
a
batalla?
battle. What battle?
Bueno,
Well,
¿haces el trabajo
you do the work,
o no lo haces?
or you don't do it.
Pero si no lo haces
If you don't
y
do
te lo
it,
han asignado,
and they have assigned you to,
tienes un
you
problema.
have a problem.
Y eso es lo que le dijo el Señor
And that's what the Lord said
a Ezequiel en el capítulo 33,
to Ezekiel in chapter 33,
verso 9.
verse 9.
Y si tú avisares al impío de su camino para que se aparte de él, y él no se apartare de su camino, él morirá por su pecado, pero tú libraste tu vida.
But if you do not warn the wicked person to turn from their evil ways, they do not do so. They will die for their sin, and though you yourself will be saved.
¿Entiende eso?
Do you understand this?
O sea, tu
In other
deber,
words,
le dice,
your
es hablarle
your duty is to
al
talk
impío,
to the wicked,
al que anda mal.
to the one that is doing wrong.
Hablarle es tu deber.
Speaking to them is
Si él
your
no se
duty.
aparta
If he does not
de su
apart
mal camino,
from their wicked ways,
él va a morir
he will die
porque él es pecador.
because he is a
Pero
sinner.
tú
But you
libraste tu vida.
have delivered your life.
O sea, en otras palabras,
In other words,
si tú no le hablas,
if you do not speak to them,
él se va a perder
he will
porque es pecador.
be lost because he is a
Pero
sinner.
la sangre de él
But his
la
blood,
demandaré a ti.
I will demand it from
Porque
you.
tu deber
Because your duty
es hacer el trabajo
is to do the
que
work
se te asigna.
that was assigned to you.
Se salven
Well,
o
for
no
them-
se
for
salven,
them to be saved
tu
or not,
deber
your duty
es
is
hablar.
to speak.
O sea, ahí es donde entonces
There is where then
Ezequiel
in Ezekiel,
era responsable.
he was responsible.
No puedo dejar
I cannot
el
let
trabajo a media.
the work halfway.
Pablo dice,
Paul said,
ay de mí
woe of
si
me
no anunciare
if I do not announce
el evangelio.
the gospel.
O sea, ¿qué está diciendo Pablo?
So what is Paul saying?
O sea,
In other
si
words,
yo no anuncio,
if I do not
no
announce,
hablo,
I don't speak,
estoy perdido.
I am lost.
Tengo un problema.
I have a
Y es ahí
problem.
donde entonces
And
dice
that is
él,
where then he says,
¿y cómo irán
and how will they listen
si no hay quien les predique?
if there's no one that preaches
O
to
sea,
them?
¿cómo irá la gente?
How the people will
¿Cómo
go?
se apartará del mal
How will
camino
they apart from the wicked
si no hay
ways
quien les diga?
if there's no one that tells them?
Porque la gente
Because people
anda ciega.
are blind.
Es ahí donde entonces
There is where then
Pablo dice, ¿y cómo irán?
Paul says, how can they hear?
Jesús dice,
Jesus said,
los que oyen mi palabra
those who hear my
y
word
creen al que me envió,
and believe of the one who
tienen
sent me,
vida
they
eterna.
have eternal
Y
life.
eso lo dice Juan
That's what
5:24.
it says in John 15:14.
Los que oyen
Those who
y
hear
creen
and
al
believe
que me envió,
for the one who sent
tienen
me,
vida
they
eterna.
have eternal life.
Y no pasará,
And
y
they-
pasarán, dice,
And they will pass, he
de
says,
muerte a vida.
from death to
Pero
life.
¿cómo irán?
But how would they
¿Cómo
hear?
creerán?
How would they believe?
Dice Pablo, si no hay
Paul
quien les
says, if
predique.
there's no one that preaches them.
Y es ahí donde entonces
And that is where then
Jesús
Jesus,
En Juan capítulo 15, verso 14,
John chapter 15,
dice lo
verse
siguiente:
14,
ustedes son
says the
mis
following,
amigos si
You-
hacen lo que yo les mando.
You are my friends if you do what I command.
Oiga esto,
Listen to this.
Jesús está diciendo,
Jesus is saying
debido
to
a que él estaba claro,
that he was clear
mi comida es
My food
que
is
haga la voluntad de
to
mi
do the
Padre
will of my Father
y que acabe
and to finish
la obra.
the work.
Entonces él
So
se
himself,
deleita
he delights
porque
himself
sabe
because he knows
la visión
the vision
del Padre.
of the Father.
Y es por eso
And that is why
que Jesús sabe
that Jesus
que él
knows
solo no la puede
that he
hacer.
cannot do it alone.
Él tenía que hacerse de un equipo.
He had to have a team.
Y por eso
And that is why
les dice entonces
he says to
en
them
Juan capítulo 15,
in John chapter
el que
15,
leemos,
and the one we
dice,
read, he
ustedes
says, you all
son mis amigos
are my friends
si hacen
if you do
lo que yo les mando.
what I command.
Vean ustedes,
See here,
tu fruto le está diciendo.
Your fruit, he's
El
saying,
fruto de ustedes
your fruit
es lo que los identifica
is what identifies you
como
all
mis amigos.
as my friends.
Jesús les da una lección a los discípulos
Jesus gives a lecture to his
y les
disciples.
dice, ustedes
And he
dicen
says, you say
que solo faltan cuántos meses para la
that
cosecha.
there's only certain months coming
Pero
for the
yo
harvest.
les digo,
But I say to you,
alcen los ojos
lift up your eyes
y miren los campos,
and see the fields,
porque el fruto
because the fruit,
está maduro,
it
apto
is
para
ripe.
cosechar.
It is active to be
O sea,
harvested.
en otras palabras,
In other words,
Jesús dijo,
Jesus said,
gente
people
que cosecha
that
es que
harvest,
alza los ojos,
because they lift up their
tiene
eyes, they
discernimiento
have discernment
que ya está listo.
that it is ready.
Porque alguna gente cree
Because some people believe
que Cristo pronto va a
that
venir.
Christ will come soon.
¿Usted qué opina?
What is your opinion?
Si usted cree que Cristo
If you think
está un
that
poco cerca
Jesus is near
de su venida,
of his coming,
la pregunta mía es,
my question is,
¿qué está haciendo usted?
what are you doing?
¿Está moviéndose
Are you moving?
o usted simplemente
Or
está
you
esperando?
simply are there waiting?
Porque si usted no se mueve,
Because if you do not
hay
move,
otros que se están moviendo.
there are others that are moving.
Hay otros
Others
que en las escuelas
that in schools,
se están moviendo.
they're moving.
¿Doctrinando a quiénes?
Doctrining who?
A los hijos
The children.
de ustedes
Your children.
y de nosotros.
Our children.
O sea, en otras palabras,
In other words,
si nosotros
if we
no ayudamos a la
do
gente
not help the
que
people
salga de la
but to
ignorancia,
come out of their ignorance,
alguien más
someone else
diabólicos
who is diabolic
les están llevando
is taking
a
them
los niños
to the children
lo contrario.
what is contrary.